So our main products are 18 karat gold. People focus on volumes rather than quality.
Absolutely. You are manufacturing a small quantity, but when you manufacturing a superior quality,
We give lifetime warranty on all our jewelry.
oh,
Correct.
this one is too good and
So
too
these are
beautiful.
unheated sapphires. Our main speciality is the multicolored sapphires,
Okay.
both with unheat and heated. The craftsmanship over here is unparalleled.
It's really beautiful. Hey friends, this is Amit Mulani from Amit Mulani and Diam, and we are here at Bangkok Gems and Jewellery Fair 2024. Right now we are at Aura Fine Jewellery Stall, and with me Mr. Sarthak Shah. Hi.
Hi.
How are you, Sarthak?
Very well, thank you so much.
First of all, Sarthak, tell me about your company establishment and in which kind of the products you are dealing.
Right, so we were established 3 years ago.
Okay.
Our parent company is Diam. So we've been here as a diamond-based company for the last 30 years.
Okay.
And we've sort of branched out into jewelry. So our main products are 18 karat gold with diamonds and color stones, as you can see. We do all sorts of color stones with rubies, sapphires, but our main speciality is the multicolored sapphires,
Okay.
both with unheat and heated stones.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So, Sarthak, you are based India,
Yeah.
yeah?
We're based
And
here.
right now here. So, where are you from, basically?
Well, originally we're from Mumbai, but I was born and raised here.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, but my father originally we're from Mumbai,
Okay.
and he moved here almost 30 years ago.
Yeah. So you told me that you have the manufacturing unit in the Bangkok only.
Yes.
Yeah.
yes.
So you can tell me about your choice that why we have preferred Bangkok to manufacturing the products. Is there any speciality about the craftsmanship?
So yes, Bangkok definitely promotes very high-end jewelries, and also the workmanship and the craftsmanship over here is very exclusive and high-end. So as you know, like a lot of companies out here have their manufacturing hold here. Even silver jewelry companies like Pandora has their headquarters out here. The craftsmanship over here is unparalleled. It's really good, and so that's why we've based out here.
So, Sarthak, I just want to know about the craftsmanship in detail. That what is the basic difference? That you have already seen many jewelries been made in India.
Correct.
And right now you are manufacturing the jewelry inside the Bangkok only.
Correct.
So I just want to know that what is the basic difference? Like it is the precisionness, I can understand that.
Right.
But anything else you want to describe in details?
I guess the main thing is if the factory is under you, and if everything is in-house, the quality control is much better.
Okay.
You get to QC every single product before it goes
that's
out.
true.
Whereas if I manufacture from India, it's hard for me to QC that, and a lot of times in India there's bigger production houses.
Absolutely, it's a game of production.
It's a game of production. So sometimes people focus on volumes rather than quality.
Absolutely.
And so it all of a sudden becomes commercial production as opposed to high-end production.
Absolutely correct words you said.
Yeah.
Because I think now we have to focus on the quality first, because whenever you are saying the worldwide customer, it must be a quality what they are asking actually.
Exactly.
Okay, so Sarthak, I am saying that you people are manufacturing a superior quality jewelry with the we can say high-end quality material and also very good craftsmanship and precisionness. So what kind of the customer you want? Like you just want to represent that ke bhai, what you can do for the people who want to import from you, or we can say to give the orders to you?
Well, we're looking for, obviously we're working with a lot of B2B companies worldwide. Also, we do have a private client base that are end users. But however, we do focus on certain markets like the Southeast Asian market. So there's Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, and Philippines. Also Thailand, where we're based off of. But to be very honest, if you look at our jewelry, it's for any modern day today, any modern woman today, just wearing the
definitely I can see this, absolutely.
Yeah.
So what I am saying is that mainly we are manufacturing this kind of the diamond studded gold jewelries.
Correct.
And also we are in specifically this kind of gemstone jewelry, no?
Correct.
This one is too good and too
These
beautiful.
are unheated sapphires.
Unheated
sapphires.
Okay.
These are basically from our Pacer collection. pastel
It's
color.
a pastel. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So these
okay,
are, if you
perfect.
can see, like these are all pastel colors right here. So we made the ring and the pendant for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I must say, the craftsmanship is too good, huh?
I appreciate
And definitely,
that.
this is a win-win situation.
Right.
When you are manufacturing a small quantity, but when you manufacturing a superior quality, absolutely, it is a win-win situation.
Exactly, and we're not just looking for clients that just are here for 1 or 2 days. We're here for recurring clients, so that's why the quality has to be on par.
Absolutely.
And there shouldn't be complaints from anyone.
From the clients,
So
yeah,
yeah,
absolutely.
so whenever we ship out our products, make sure there's no room for complaints
Yeah,
for
absolutely,
the clients.
absolutely.
Yeah.
And then if you are giving this kind of the commitment, then definitely what I'm thinking is that in future the client will again repeat
Exactly.
and give the repeatable orders regularly. That's what
Exactly.
actually business.
Exactly. And so the most people that work with me, they also know that we give lifetime warranty on all our jewelries.
Oh.
So if there is any stone that's ever dropped off or fell off, then you can always come back to us. Obviously not for like big center stones that are like 5 carat and 3 carat. But if you see any of the stones that ever fall off, we will take care of you that free of charge. Because we're quite certain that the stone won't fall off.
Yeah,
That's
absolutely.
the kind of
Because-
guarantee we're giving because
And
the
that's what the
workmanship.
craftsmanship,
Exactly.
workmanship. Absolutely.
Exactly.
So the last question I just want to ask you that
Yep.
as I am seeing that you are right now in this particular show in Bangkok, other than that, which are the different shows you are participating?
So we're going to be participating in Hong Kong next year,
Okay.
as well as Vegas show next year.
Wow,
So
perfect.
you can see us over there.
Yeah, absolutely. So we'll try to reach out you all there also.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
We'll be in touch over there as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sarthak.
Thank you for
I am
stopping
wishing
by.
you great luck
I appreciate it.
for the future. And definitely, I must say the jewellery what you people are manufacturing, it's really beautiful. And I am wishing that more and more customer falls in a stall in future.
Thank you so much. I really
Thank you once
appreciate
again.
that. Thank
God
you
bless
so
you,
much.
dear.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Take care.
अगर आप इंडिया से जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट बिजनेस सीखना चाहते हैं तो ज्वाइन कीजिए ऑनलाइन मास्टर कोर्स हिंदी और इंग्लिश में. फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन विजिट amitmulani.com.